admiration from Nigerians?
It's because of his leadership qualities and virtues. And if you look at his antecedents in power struggles in this country, power sustenance, you discover that he's the man needed for the day. He's the man that could combat the inherent anomalies that has led us to this messy situation in the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So that's why you see over 5 million of us 5,000 of us were here 8th of April, just about a month ago, and we're here again with another over 5 million again. It's a clarion call, and we are fervently in need of him. You have his record while he was in office. His records are there for him. His record are the selling point. He don't need too much campaign. He's already an international brand. It's a brand of achievement. It's a brand of purpose. It's a brand that is committed to his vision. We all know him for that, and that is why you see all of us. We are members of various political parties as well. I'm an ADC member. I have people who are PDP members. We are members who come ourselves together, and we're working for him.
So what party do you suggest he run with if he eventually accepts this request?
In the next 24 hours, call me, I will tell you the party.
Okay, so what do you make of his reaction to this appeal? Because he has said he was going to consult widely. He has neither accepted or rejected this appeal.
What he said is that he has heard from us. And then he concluded by telling that he will contest where the need arises. He's going to consult widely. Don't forget that there is a very limited timing for his consultation. And this is having a window of 24 hours or so when the INEC will formally close that. So in the next 24 hours, you will hear from him. I'm sure that the former president and the incoming president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria has his party at hand already. You will know tomorrow.
Thank you very much indeed.
Thank you.
As I look back, see from my back, like this.
Like I explained in Hausa, I am a Nigerian, that my ethnicity is cut across regions. I am North Central, I'm Benue, I'm Idoma. Then I have what it takes to explain Nigeria. I've been to over 500,000. I've been to over 500 local governments out of the 774. He's a man that have traversed the country with him from 2014 into 2015 before the election. So far, while we are here, we came to appeal to his conscience to come and redeem Nigeria from this imminent collapse. And everybody that knows where we are now, Nigeria is actually going down the drain. Yes, the answer, whether accept or reject, is expected because he's still doing wider consultation. It's within the next 24 hours, I'm sure we'll get something concrete.
Okay, what party are you expecting the former president to run on?
You can see that the people that gathered here came from all backgrounds, all parties. It's a coalition. And there are people from the ruling party, there are people from ADC, there are people from NDC. So it is a coalition of Nigerians that want to vote against bad governance and the hunger in the land and insecurity.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. God bless you.